Welcome to a SyncMD user guide. We're going to show you how to respond to a patient's request for medical records that was sent to you using the SyncMD app. Let's get started. Whenever a patient uses the SyncMD app to send a medical records request, you'll automatically receive a two-page fax with all the necessary HIPAA elements and patient permissions that you need in order to respond. Simply follow the instructions on the page and go to syncmd.com/upload. There, you'll enter the patient's unique access code, their date of birth, and your name. Once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and verify that the patient matches the one who sent the request. Once you've determined that the SyncMD patient matches your own records, go ahead and create electronic copies of the requested medical records using your own internal processes and EMR functions. Once you're ready to upload records, simply click on the Add Documents button. Just like you'd attach documents to an email, find the local copies stored on your computer's hard drive or available network access. Once you've uploaded all the documents, go ahead and give them appropriate titles, and remember, categorize them so that the patient can easily filter for them when they need to search for particular documents. Once you've titled and labeled all the documents, click Save Documents and you'll see a pop-up asking if you've completed the process. Click Yes, I'd like to complete the request, and the SyncMD app will automatically notify the patient that new documents have been uploaded to their account. You can now log out of the SyncMD website or simply close your internet browser. Thanks so much, and I hope you've enjoyed this SyncMD user guide.